Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing.
Pretty nice day out. 60 degrees out today. I'm gonna do some trim and whatnot inside the house, but decided that just too lazy, wanted to do a family day. Probably get the boys out today and play outside. It's a gorgeous day out, 60 degrees. My grill fell over a couple days ago. The wind was whipping like 45, 50 miles an hour. Apparently that's enough to blow it over with the cover on it. So I gotta figure out a way to secure that a little bit better and do something where it doesn't blow over on me. About to venture out for a little run. Gotta grab my headphones, but it is freaking gorgeous today. About 2.5 miles in, just hit Gregory Hill Road. I didn't realize this route I've never run before is all uphill the whole way. It's good though. Listen to the frogs. They got quiet when they heard me. Well, made it back 6.5 miles, just under an hour. Not a bad little pace, right around 9 minutes. It was a good run. Definitely kind of tough the first 2.5, 3 miles, but now we're back. Let's see the kids again.
Wait, Dad, were those bug bees? Sweaty get you.
Okay, it's okay.
Is it gonna sting me?
No, it's not gonna sting you. Okay?
Is it gonna make me sweat?
No, not gonna sting you. Bees aren't gonna sting you unless you bother them or you scare them. Okay?
But I bothered it.
Well, you gotta try not to do that.
But
right?
It hurts.
Did it sting you?
No.
What hurts then?
I was just crying because I was scared of it.
Oh, it's okay, buddy.
Mommy, I want a carrot.
Buddy, the carrots haven't grown yet. I can give you a carrot from the fridge.
Yeah.
Okay.
Buddy, please come out. You have a lot of delicious carrots for me. Please.
You want the buddy to share the carrots with you?
Yeah. I don't like this puppy. What is this puppy going to do to us? Oh,